Okay, I'm mixing. So I'm mixing. Okay, splashing. I'm telling 8 minutes. Okay, I'm right back, and I'm gonna see if the food are good. Tomatoes. So making tomatoes. See? Wow, it says tomatoes good. This one, the other one, it's pretty good. Check this one. Because I am mixing up. So I actually like this. Make sure share on them. You gotta remember you have to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, and that's when you press the like button, big thumbs up.